Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to our channel where we bring you the most captivating stories from around the world. Today, we dive into an adrenaline-pumping incident that unfolded in the heart of the South China Sea. Get ready for a nail-biting encounter between a US warship and a Chinese warship as tensions run high and disaster looms on the horizon. But before we unveil the details of this intense standoff, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest updates. Now, let's set sail into this captivating story. It all began on a seemingly routine day in the South China Sea when a US warship found itself on a collision course with a Chinese warship. As tensions between the two nations escalated, the world held its breath, anticipating the potential fallout from this high-stakes encounter. Both vessels were navigating the contested waters, with each side accusing the other of provocative actions. As they closed in on each other, disaster seemed imminent. However, in a split-second decision, the US warship took extraordinary measures to avert a collision and prevent further escalation. The actions taken by the US warship's crew were nothing short of heroic. Their swift response and precise maneuvers showcased their exceptional training and commitment to avoiding a catastrophic incident. But what exactly happened in those tense moments? Our team of experts analyzed the available information and reconstructed the events to bring you an exclusive inside look at this gripping standoff. Through detailed simulations and witness testimonies, we can now reveal the nail-biting sequence of events that unfolded as the US warship made a daring move to avoid colliding with its Chinese counterpart. The calculated precision and split-second decision-making of the crew prevented what could have been a disaster of international proportions. Beyond the immediate impact, this incident carries significant implications for international relations. Join us as we discuss the geopolitical complexities surrounding the South China Sea, the competing territorial claims, and the broader implications for the countries involved. This close call underscores the fragility of the situation in the South China Sea. It highlights the need for diplomatic efforts to prevent further escalations and find peaceful resolutions to the ongoing disputes. Amidst the vast expanse of the South China Sea, where territorial disputes have often been a cause for concern, a potentially catastrophic situation unfolded. A US warship found itself on a dangerous collision course with a Chinese warship. However, through quick thinking and prompt action, the US destroyer managed to avert disaster at the last moment. The crew members aboard the US warship demonstrated remarkable expertise and composure in the face of imminent danger. With split-second decision-making, they skillfully maneuvered their vessel, avoiding collision and ensuring the safety of both ships. Their actions highlight the professionalism and training of the US Navy personnel. The South China Sea has been a hotbed of geopolitical tensions, primarily due to conflicting territorial claims and strategic interests. Multiple nations, including China, Vietnam, the Philippines, and others, lay overlapping claims to various islands and maritime territories within the region. These disputes have resulted in occasional standoffs, naval encounters, and escalating rhetoric. China's growing assertiveness in the South China Sea has raised concerns among neighboring countries and the international community. By constructing military installations and enforcing territorial claims, China aims to bolster its influence and establish itself as a dominant force in the region. Such actions have been met with resistance from other nations, leading to a delicate balance of power and potential flashpoints. The South China Sea holds immense economic significance, serving as a vital maritime trade route. It facilitates the transportation of goods worth trillions of dollars annually, connecting major economies across the globe. Any disruption or escalation of tensions in the region can have far-reaching consequences, affecting international trade, energy security, and overall stability. The recent incident in the South China Sea, where a US warship skillfully prevented a collision with a Chinese counterpart, highlights the ever-present risks and complexities in this strategically important region. The professionalism and quick response of the U.S. Navy exemplify the importance of well-trained personnel in safeguarding maritime security. As tensions persist and geopolitical dynamics continue to evolve, it is crucial for all nations involved to prioritize dialogue, diplomacy, and respect for international law. By doing so, they can foster stability, cooperation, and mutual understanding, thereby ensuring the peaceful coexistence of nations in the South China Sea and beyond. As tensions continue to simmer in the region, it becomes crucial to closely monitor the actions of these global powers. Join us as we navigate the complexities of international relations and shed light on the South China Sea dispute. And there you have it, a heart-stopping encounter between a U.S. warship and a Chinese warship in the South China Sea. This incident serves as a stark reminder of the ever-present tensions that define the geopolitical landscape. Stay informed and stay connected with us as we bring you more captivating stories from around the world. Remember to like this video, leave your thoughts in the comments section below, and subscribe to our channel for more riveting content. Until next time, stay safe and stay curious. Thank you for joining us on this thrilling journey today. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out our other exciting content. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to be notified whenever we release new videos. Stay tuned for more captivating stories. See you next time. The professionalism and quick response of the U.S. Navy exemplify the importance of well-trained personnel in safeguarding maritime security. As tensions persist and geopolitical dynamics continue to evolve, it is crucial for all nations involved to prioritize dialogue, diplomacy, and respect for international law. By doing so, they can foster stability, cooperation, and mutual understanding, thereby ensuring the peaceful coexistence of nations in the South China Sea and beyond. As tensions continue to simmer in the region, it becomes crucial to closely monitor the actions of these global powers. Join us as we navigate the complexities of international relations and shed light on the South China Sea dispute. And there you have it, a heart-stopping encounter between a U.S. warship and a Chinese warship in the South China Sea. This incident serves as a stark reminder of the ever-present tensions that define the geopolitical landscape.